Hey there, affiliate marketers. Are you ready to take your online business to the next level? Today, I'm diving into Buildabizonline, a game changer in the world of affiliate marketing. Buildabizonline is your one-stop shop for all your online business needs. Created by Ian Stewart and his team of top-notch programmers, this platform is packed with over 30 powerful tools and training resources. From effective advertising methods to robust list-building techniques, Buildabizonline has got you covered. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, Buildabizonline offers the tools and support you need to stand out from the competition, and the best part, it's free to join. Explore its features and see how it can transform your affiliate marketing journey. One of the standout features of Buildabizonline is its programs page. This allows you to showcase up to 20 ads or programs in one central location, making your promotional efforts more streamlined and effective. And with the Splash Builder, you can create engaging landing pages with compelling calls to action. But that's not all. Buildabizonline also includes a built-in tracking tool to give you valuable insights into your ad performance. Want to simplify your email marketing? The platform's autoresponder has you covered. Plus, the Capture Page Builder offers customizable templates for lead generation, seamlessly integrating with your brand aesthetic. The suite of tools doesn't stop there. With a banner page, email tracking, a traffic-generating blog, an email template creator, and much more, Buildabizonline provides everything you need to establish a strong online presence. From URL rotators and logo building tools to image hosting and royalty-free resources, this platform truly has it all. Now, let's talk about the team behind Buildabizonline. Ian Stewart, with 16 years of affiliate marketing experience, was frustrated with the high cost and limited accessibility of marketing tools. So he decided to create an affordable, comprehensive solution. Collaborating with skilled programmers and listening to customer feedback, Ian built Buildabizonline from the ground up. And guess what? It quickly gained recognition for its value, attracting a global customer base. Stan Stachinsky, aka The Big Dog, praises the platform's affordability and comprehensive nature. With over 6 hours of video tutorials in its training library, Buildabizonline ensures you have all the support you need. And Ian Stewart's exceptional support is a rarity in the online world, making this platform a trusted partner for businesses worldwide. So if you're looking to elevate your affiliate marketing game, Buildabizonline is the way to go. Join for free, explore its features, and start transforming your online business today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tools to help you succeed in the world of affiliate marketing. Until next time.